Welcome back. In this task, we will try and understand what we mean by software. Let's see what Wikipedia has to say about software. Here's a definition that I picked up from the Wikipedia site at this URL. It says software is a collection of instructions and data that tell the computer how to work. Now, we've seen examples of data in the introductory video. At the time, we said data is the information about the cities and the restaurants displayed on the map. Let's see what we did on our previous task to see if we can find examples of instructions and data there. For that, we'll switch to RStudio Cloud. I'll also switch the display mode so you get your workspace back. This is where we left off in the previous task. Recollect that in the previous task, we added B and C to A, and then we assigned the sum to A. This is an example of an instruction. In this instruction, we're performing two operations. We're performing an addition and we're performing an assignment. R first performs the addition, and when it is performing the addition, the value of A is 4. After the sum is computed, the sum is assigned to A. We will see some more examples of instructions later in this guided project. When we write instructions, we have to execute the instructions to get a result. When we type instructions at the console, we just press the Enter key to execute the instructions. You've seen several examples. Let's see one more. Let's say we want to get the sum of B and C. The way we do it is like this. We say B plus C and then press the Enter key, and it prints the sum for us. Now let's look at data. When we assigned the value 3 to the variable A, we actually created data. R saved the value 3 in the computer's memory, and we use the variable A to refer to the data. We actually wrote code to create data. Now this is fine when we are doing an exploration like this. Normally, when working with data, we will read in data from a data source. In the third guided project in this series, we will see how to read in data from a data source. As we saw from the definition of software, data is a critical component of the software program. So in the next task, we will look at the different types of data that we can work with in R. So I'll see you in a short while.